Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all of my dear audience? I hope that you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I want to show you my reading table. Now you can see this is my reading table, and I read uh, by using this table, and this is my actual chair. You can see I sit on this chair and then I study for myself here. Now you can also see there is a big map. Actually this is a world map. So I want to show you another thing, that is, you can see here is my stand, and the stand color is black. This is actually very light and it's handy. I can carry anywhere, don't worry, it's very but strong. Okay, now you can see behind me there is a whiteboard. Okay, this is actually white, and by this whiteboard I teach my students math, basically math, but sometimes I try to teach them grammar. Now you know that I'm trying to improve my English. That's why from today I decided that I will teach them some English structure, English vocabulary, and also you can see I teach my students on the floor, on the surface. Okay, so there is actually rural village, but I will make some new benches actually in the future, but still right now I don't need it. Okay, so I hope that you all understand. And in my reading table I want to show you so many things. And now you can see there is a knife, there is a 2 water bottle with a red cap, and another 2 bottle is with blue cap. Also you can see there is scale. Okay, scale, and there is a key ring. Also there is some marker. You can see actually there is so many marker I have. I hope that you can see. There is also a duster. I clean the board by using this duster. Sometimes I use this. Okay, there is so many books, grammar, English grammar books. Also you can see a PCS Digest Plus books. I ordered this book from online, and this book is very fantastic. I also want to show you another book, that is, the book name is Grammar Chara Spoken English. I hope that you already see this book online or on social media. So I read these books, but I think this book is not enough to speak in English. You can see this book is writer name is 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂 So it's a very easy, and I think it's not enough to practice in English, to speak in English. It just some this book written on basic sentence. Okay, now you can see the inner part of this box. Very nice, these books. Okay, not bad. You can buy and you can read this book. You can understand some, you can learn some vocabulary, you can learn some structures, and you can learn situation wise talking. But I think it's not enough actually. So I already show you so many things on my reading table, and it's very untidy because I am not a tidy man. So my table also untidy. Okay, so after reading I actually go to my shop. Right now is 8 p.m. So now I will go to masjid right now. I am to perform my Ashr Salah, and then I will go to my shop again. And that's actually my journey. Just a few minutes ago I leave my students, and right now I am speaking in front of you. And I know that if I don't try, if I don't practice, definitely I cannot be a good speaker. That's why I'm trying. So if you really want to use English, you can practice with your phone with 𝒐𝒕𝒉𝒆𝒓'𝒔 very easily. And I also sometimes I speak with 𝒐𝒕𝒉𝒆𝒓'𝒔, I speak with Gemini, and so many things actually I do to improve my English. Okay, take care, bye bye.